So I got my first internship at Minsagam Technologies, and it was through a directly like career portal. So there I worked with WordPress and all that simple front end stuff. So I got my actual internship when I attended a hackathon. I got connected with the founder of that startup, and I got started with chatbot development and web development. So the first internship that I got from LinkedIn was at Geeks for Geeks. So I had just posted a certification that I got from Coursera. It was a data structures and algorithm specialization, and I tried to document it really well on what I learned from that specialization. And next day, I got a message from one of the senior technical content engineers at Geeks for Geeks. Many of you might be following his posts as well. So I got a message from him that they are looking for some interns at Geeks for Geeks who can do some content reviewing. And this was a right opportunity for me, and I jumped straight into it. So LinkedIn is actually a way for you where you can connect with people in a similar manner. And once you start engaging them in a way like they find it good, you will start landing upon new opportunities. And getting an internship at Geeks for Geeks was not only like the last internship that I got. I got some other content engineering internships at AIOC, and I recently landed upon a QA internship at QXF2. So it is related to quality assurance and testing. So if you're trying to get an internship or any job through LinkedIn, then commenting interested or putting up like open to new opportunities or mindlessly connecting with multiple people is not the correct way. So you should be going to the LinkedIn jobs. There are multiple openings there. You can keep a straight away your GitHub profile, because for developers, for people who are into tech, your GitHub profile is your portfolio. So try to keep a GitHub profile, try to keep a well optimized resume, try to keep a personal website on your LinkedIn, so that if any recruiter is checking out your LinkedIn, he might be able to refer all of your development works or all of the things that you have worked upon. And as I said before, you should be sharing your learning, you should be consistent in that. And the best possible way for you to do that is by like following a streak, like Bhavishya follows, even I follow like 100 days of code or 200 days of code. Because once a recruiter is able to like directly see whatever content that you are posting, he will be able to find the right candidate in you. Because in the recent openings, they post about a lot of stuff. They want something who is excellent in full stack, they want someone who is excellent in cloud. So you should not be excellent in all of this sphere. What you should be is that you should be actually be a learner. You should be able to adapt to new opportunities. You should be able to adapt to new technologies. And this is what all about internships and landing upon new opportunities are. And this is how LinkedIn exactly helps you.
Yeah, Harsh, I think that's perfectly right. What I would like to share with you is that what happened with me, I was just posting documents. Like you must have seen those carousels on LinkedIn if you have ever seen those. So basically, I used to make a lot of them on Instagram and on LinkedIn as well. And so randomly, one person messaged me and saying that I really liked how you are making these content pieces. Can you make the same content for my own company? Okay, so I just did an interview with him, and then we landed upon. Uh, he gave me an offer, and so I started working over there as a content creator, and I used to also manage ads for that particular startup. So in like that is how it happens. People see how what all you're posting, and then they might ask you, "Would you? Can you also help us out with this or something?" And then the second internship that I got was because of my senior in my own college. They were watching me, and so again that person messaged me saying that, "Hey Shan, I really enjoyed what all you're writing. Can you also help me out with my own startup?" So like then I went to help him out in his own startup.
So yeah, so I have got like many offers for like contributing in an entrepreneurial way, or like internships, and all of those things are always there. You always get offers, and there is one thing that all those offers came to my door because I was doing and posting the content daily, and it was reaching masses. So now there's one thing that I actually want you to do. There is one suggestion for you all, and that is you don't necessarily have to ping people to get you a job, to refer you somewhere. Uh, the best way to get any referral is possibly by posting your own content. It is just that I myself, I don't know about Harsh and Ishan whether they have done it or not, but just like every beginner, when I was new to LinkedIn, I actually asked a few people to because at that moment of time also I was having a set of skills at that moment of time which actually I thought that would land me an internship. So I actually approached people over there. So many of them told me that yes, we'll do it. Many of them, there were a few who didn't reply because there are many people. So there's one thing that you actually should understand: when someone is not replying, it is maybe because he is having a ton of messages in his notifications. He's not able to reply, so your message is just one among them. uh, and at times he just gets so irritated because he's getting all of the same type of messages in abundance, so he won't reply to you. So there was this one person who actually told me that beta, you should not be asking for referrals because that is what everyone else is doing. uh, just show yourself up so well in front of the crowd that people will knock your door to give you opportunities, will serve opportunities to you. It is just that he just gave me a simple example. If the other person is deaf and is not able to hear the knocks that you are making at his door, then just break the door. So that is what I would like to tell you all. If you're trying to do, if you're trying to do something, if you're trying to post a content, and if you're obviously, all those recruiters are like the people who are on the other side of the door, and you are trying to knock their door, like open me up for the opportunity. I'm like, I'm a great person with this all these skill set that I'm having. So if that person is not opening it up, by def, I'm not insulting, I'm not offending anyone. It is just that you just have to you just have to showcase yourself in a way where you are actually breaking through the door and you're just presenting yourself in front of him, so that even if he's a deaf one, he would be able to see you